So welcome to part 2. As we said in part 1, that we were talking about section 2 of this graph. The temperature isn't increasing, and so the kinetic energy store isn't increasing. So where's all that heating, that energy from heating going? You're heating it up, but it's not. The temperature isn't rising, but the energy has to go somewhere. And what the energy is being used for, and it's the way that the universe works. Is that when you have state changes, all that energy is being used for is to increase the average separation of the particles. And way back when in year 7 you started to learn this stuff, that when a substance gets heated up from a solid to a liquid, that the particles become more separated to some degree. The particles aren't fixed together in such a structured, ordered way, and there is a little bit more space on average between the atoms and molecules. So what you have is an increase in potential energy. Just underline that. No idea why my pen's not working, but yeah, your potential energy store is increasing, and that must mean your internal energy store is increasing. So even though the kinetic energy store is constant, because the potential energy store is increasing, your internal energy store is increasing.